What's up, guys? It's Ryan from No Limits Fitness, and I have another excellent recipe for you guys today. It's going to hit all of those boxes for the people with the sweet tooth. You want the low calorie, high protein snack or dessert or whatever that you can get that craving, that sugar craving out of the way without having to have all the calories and the sugar that are in most desserts. What I've got for you today is a chocolate mint cake. It's got chocolate mint frosting. It's moist and it tastes amazing. It's the perfect dessert or snack for you guys. Check it out. I'll show you how to make it right here. Oh man, this recipe is so good. You guys will love it, I know. Here is the final product. It's just one of the small little pieces. Really, this recipe creates an entire cake. Really, like you saw in the video of us making it. It comes out pretty big. You can get a decent thickness on it. It's about an inch thick for the pan that I used. The best way to do it is to make sure that you don't cook it all the way through, which will be in that time that I posted on there, the cook time. Use that as a general guide, but make sure that you keep checking on it. You make sure that where it's at is how you want your cake to be. I like mine just a little bit gooey in the middle. It tastes way better, I think. It's not as dense, and it keeps that cake flavor, that texture that we all love for cake. With the frosting, I personally love it nice and cold. So put it in the fridge, spread it on right afterwards, and then put it back in the fridge. That's how I like it. These things taste so good. I'm gonna kind of take a bite here. Oh yeah, so good. If you guys like chocolate and mint, I highly recommend this recipe. The macros are insane. For each slice, now again, depending on how big your pan is and the slices that you cut it into, I have these things all about 100 calories per little slice with like a ton of protein in them. I'm going to post the macros right here on the screen. So make sure you check those out, and I guarantee you guys you'll love them. So check these macros out. That protein is awesome. The fiber is great. It's going to keep you on your diet and still hit the sweet tooth. All right? This tastes like a real cake. Like I should be cheating on my meal plan, but I'm like seriously not. I could have almost the entire cake and not be cheating on my meal plan. Make sure you guys check this out and try it out yourself. It's a super, super easy recipe to do. It takes like 5-10 minutes, and then throw it in the oven and let it just bake. It is highly, highly worth it. Make sure you guys check it out. Also, give me a thumbs up down below. Make sure you like the video. And also subscribe, hit that bell notification so we can send you more information, more videos that help you guys stay on your meal plans. And we just want to make sure you're getting in the best shape of your life. All right, guys, I will see you later.